Hello, this is Preston Biggs, founder of PNB.com LLC, and you're watching this video because you clicked a link that says you're not ready to make a decision to whether to start your business or to make extra income or to do something in your life that's going to make you a little bit better than what it is right now. I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. Okay, a couple of years ago, I was in a dead-end job. I was in a cubicle. I had been through the military, retired, been through law enforcement, and got out of that service, went into the trucking industry for about 14 years. I had a lot of different types of jobs and everything. Never could really find anything that really satisfied me after the military. So what I did was, a friend of mine got me a job as a data specialist. I got out of the trucking industry, went into that job because it was more money. I didn't like it. It was terrible. I could do it, but it was just terrible. And then I went into recruiting. I learned how to be a recruiter. I was doing fairly good with that. And then, you know what? It was too much, taking up too much of my time. So then a friend of mine got me a job at a banking industry position, but it was a cubicle. Now it was 10 hours a day, 4 days a week. Overtime was on Fridays, sometimes Saturdays. But the thing about it is that I was in a cubicle. I was able to talk with people, and that's what I like to do. But most of the time it was just people getting angry because we were calling them, okay? So I decided to retire. I did that for a while. I even got remarried. But then I found something that was going to change the rest of my life. I knew that as soon as I saw it. I looked into it, though. I did my background checks because I'm in law enforcement. I'm going to do that. So then I got into this place. Got into this affiliate marketing system, and I am telling you right now, I really enjoy the heck out of it because I get to do the things that they said you can do. Now, are you going to be able to do that? I don't know. That depends on you and how you take action. But you really need to investigate. You really need to know what you're going to do before you start doing it. But as soon as you decide that you like something, you need to start taking action right now, right then. Don't wait. Do it. There's a few things that people that can talk about. One is that entrepreneurs do what they're going to do. They take action and they get it done. So if you are going to take action, start it. Do it. Whatever action you're going to take, either decide not to do anything or decide to do something, whatever it is, do it. Now, if you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype at pbig007. I'll be more than happy to talk with you about that. I do coaching sessions, and I'll tell you what, I think you're really going to do a great deal of things that you really want to do if you get into this affiliate business. Preston Biggs, founder of PNB.com LLC. Chat with you soon.